Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a great time. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the 5 basic regular checks that you should be doing at your home in order to maintain your car in a healthy condition. So before starting the video, if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Here I'll be uploading driving tips and tricks and informative videos related to cars. So guys, the first basic check is checking the engine oil. Find the dipstick and pull it out. After you pull it, wipe with the clean cloth and insert it again. And again pull it so we can get the better engine oil level reading. Make sure that the engine oil is between the minimum and maximum holes. If the engine oil is low, consider refilling to the correct level. Another thing you should check is the engine oil color. If it's black in color, means your car engine oil needs to be changed. Another check you should be doing is check the power steering fluid level. If your car have electric power steering, there is no power steering fluid, so you can skip this check. Make sure that the power steering fluid is filled up to the correct level. You can find the minimum and maximum level marking on the reservoir. Another check you should be doing is checking the brake fluid. And make sure that it's filled up to the correct level. Another check you should do is check the coolant. Coolant helps to cool the engine, and if there is not enough coolant, then your car engine may overheat. To check the coolant, open the radiator cap, and if the coolant is low, fill up to the top. And also check coolant on the coolant reservoir, and if necessary, fill up to the correct level. And the final check is to check the tires of your car. Check the tire pressure and make sure that the tires are properly inflated at the recommended tire pressure. You can find the recommended tire pressure on the driver's side door jamb. Another thing you should be checking is the tire tread depth. You can find the wear bar indicator. If the tire treads and wear bar indicator are at the same level, means you need to replace the tire. And if you see uneven wearing of treads, then you may need to fix the alignment of your car. So these were the basic regular checks for your car. If you learned something, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe and take care.